I was changing out my laundry the other day. I just finished a load of flannel sheets when I noticed there was a residue on my lint filter. Sure, I clean the lint filter after every load. This is different. Can you see the browny yellow layer in the screen? The difference is more dramatic against my white countertop. But I thought, this can't be right. Did you know that residue builds up on your lint screen, especially if you use dryer sheets that isn't removed with the fluff you wipe off your screen after each load? If you don't believe me, just run your lint filter under running water. You can see here that the water is actually pooling on the screen and not running freely through. The same is true of the air in your dryer. I used a bit of Bath & Body Works foaming soap and gave both sides of my lint filter a thorough but gentle scrub. You don't want to wreck the screen itself. You can see the difference when I rinse the soap from the screen. The water's actually running through it freely. In fact, I had to trap the water with my hand in order to rinse thoroughly. And you want to rinse very thoroughly. Make sure you remove all of the soap residue. Look at the difference. No yellow buildup on the screen. While I was cleaning the dryer, I decided to take a long extension hose from my vacuum and clean out the lint trap itself. I was honestly surprised when I actually clogged the head with lint that had fallen past the lint filter and down into my machine. There was so much that had fallen down, I actually clogged the head of the vacuum. The final step is to head outside. You can see the cap to my dryer vent had actually fallen on the ground because it was so clogged that the hot air must have pushed it out. That may have saved me from a fire, but it is not ideal. Without that cap on your dryer vent, rodents can get into the house. It's much better to check on your outdoor vent monthly and clean it before it gets this bad. The next load of laundry I ran through my dryer, which was blue jeans, dried in about 2/3 the time it usually takes. Further proof that my machine was working way too hard. Not only will this quick clean help with fire safety, but it will also prolong the life of your machine, your clothing, and your wallet by reducing energy costs.